Hey guys, it's Steph. I just wanted to make a quick tutorial to show you how to mount your fabric to your embroidery hoop and also how to tighten it. So when you get the hoop, it comes like this, and you can just undo the outer hoop and pull the inside and the outside hoop apart. Put the inside in the center of your table and lay your fabric over it, and you can kind of just feel where the hoop is as to where your fabric should sit. Then you need to loosen your outer hoop more than it did to come off, because now the fabric is going to sit in between the hoops, so it needs to be a little bit bigger. And you should be able to just slide the hoop on over the top like this. Now, once your fabric is in the hoop, now we need to tighten it. So you can kind of see here that the fabric is quite loose. And for embroidering, you want it to be as tight as a drum, and I'll show you exactly what it means. So to tighten the fabric, just go around the hoop and pull it through like this. I'm just pulling from the outside of the fabric, coming around to the other side until all the wrinkles are gone. Then come and tighten it at the top, and then keep going all the way around again. I usually go around twice when I'm putting it in from scratch. Okay, and I think that's pretty good, so I'll tighten it off. This just stops the fabric slipping. You might need to, though, as you're embroidering, just go back and tighten it. And so, see how it's tight enough that it kind of sounds like a drum? That's what you want to aim for. Yeah, if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out. That is how to mount your fabric to your embroidery hoop and how to tighten the fabric.